Hi, good evening, everyone. I greet everybody in the house. This my video is titled "Don't Be Too Moody." Are you too moody on everything that you do? Are you always putting on moody attitude? Do you have a nature of moody? You're always moody. You look moody. You behave, in your behavior. Naturally, when people are looking at you, you are always moody. Sometimes people do change. My viewer out there, as you watch this my video, if you have a moody behavior, a moody attitude, float in your vein, float in your character, appear in your natural look, try to change it. Not only natural look, inward of you. Are you always moody the way you behave? People around you will be looking at you, they are not comfortable because you are always moody. Change your ways, it's not good. When you now have this moody attitude in your system, you have a moody behavior. It will not dwell in your system, dwell in your spirit. Moody lead to a lot of things. You may be frustrated, you are depressed, and that moody spirit that is in you, you use it on people. The time you're supposed to speak, you don't speak. You speak at the wrong time. You do things at the wrong time because of the moody behavior that you have. You have moody lead to a lot of things. You hate people around you. You don't like people around you. You do things. You react to negative things that does not have any meaning. I mean, if you are that kind of person out there, my viewers, you have the moody spirit because you may not know, but people looking at you know that you are always like that. And when people now see you, they cannot correct you. At the same time, people that have this kind of moody spirit, they don't listen to advice. They are always on top. They feel they are the best and they look down on people. When you are angry or they upset somebody, they will be angry. They are the one that offend you, they will be angry. You offend them, they are, what I mean by angry, they are moody when they offend you. When you offend him, he doesn't even know. They are moody. They are always moody. Moody people are the kind of people that are always angry. At the same time, a lot are going through them. They have a lot going through their mind, you know. They are not happy. They don't look, they don't have respect for anybody. They look down on people. Everything around them, they look everything negative. They do not see any positive in anybody. They do not see anything good in anybody. And due to this modern situation, lead to sadness and angry. When you speak out, believe you me, my viewers out there, when you speak out, you will be set free. When you are always speaking out, you will set free from moody spirit. Angriness will left you because that thing that is disturbing you inward, that is making you always moody and angry. When you talk about things around you that you does not like, you are relieved of it. You will not be angry anymore. But if you keep piling out a lot, both relevant and irrelevant things inside of you to react, you are reacting on the negative things. Any little thing, you react on it. You get angry at the same time, you find yourself being moody. The time you're supposed to speak out for people to know what is going on, you are just using it to disturb yourself. People might not know what you are going through. You may not be a talkative, but at the same time, there are certain situations in life when you are not more a baby. Maybe you are above 18, and you are an adult, you are a grown-up man or woman, and you still have this kind of dirty behavior. Or for me, if I have a friend that is always moody, always using face without letting people know what's happening, believe me, I always see you like that, you are not happy, you know, I will just hopefully walk away from you. I will not tell you, because maybe before I will now conclude not to tell you, I have already like to ask you and talk about it with in a polite way. And at the same time, I always see you coming up like that all the time. Believe in me, if you are going through things, if you are going through a lot, you are not the only one going through. Everybody in this world have one thing or the other that they are going through. So we cannot, because of what we as a human being will go through good time by His grace. In other words, there is nobody that does not have any challenges that they are going through. But by the grace of God, we all will overcome any challenges that we as a human being may have been going through. But you cannot, because of maybe you have a challenge that you are going through, you will not put it up on yourself. You will not use it to disturb your system. You will not put it on people around you. You will not have this bad behavior of looking down on everybody. And at the same time that you're supposed to speak, you will not have this attitude of speaking out polite and let people understand why you are not, why you are happy or why you are not happy, or why you are always moody. People does not know what you are angry about. Always moody and always upset, always looking for a fault. Believe me, people will be running from you, and it's never a good thing. If you are there, you are always moody, you are always angry because of the situation that you find yourself, my dear. Being moody will not bring anybody to come, and people will not remove moody away from you. Nobody will set you free out of it. You are the one that will set yourself out of it. Or maybe somebody have gossiped somebody to you. And as a human being, for you to set yourself free from that bondage of being moody and angry, sadness, and the person that you are angry about does not know that you are angry, my dear, you are disturbing yourself. You will not have your inner peace. When other people are angry, happy, you are angry. When other people are rejoicing, you are sad. So, if as you listen to this my video, if you are in this situation, you are in this category, for now, break that yoke of being moody and being angry, looking down on people, does not see anything good in people around you, always looking for a fault. If you are with people, or you have friends, you have relatives that have upset you, just say it out and let it go. Be moody and be upset, looking down on people, does not see anybody, anything good around every other person. If you start relieving yourself away from it, or stop listening to negative talk, believe me, you'll be free and you'll be happy and you'll become a normal person. I love you all, Jassy from UK. Give a thumbs up to this my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, press that notification bell. As soon as I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Subscribe, give a thumbs up. Subscription is free. You don't need to pay money. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you as you watch anyway.